What's up, YouTube? Drinking a nice protein shake this morning, thanks to my lovely wife. We're gonna head out and do a small job today. Honestly, don't even know if it's worth filming, but you know what? That's how we roll. We're gonna film. I like filming, gives me something to do. We're gonna load up the skid steer, and then we are just gonna go move some, kind of scrape the dirt around for this sign I got to take down for a guy. I got to use a cutting torch. It's kind of in a field area, and I'm just going to scrape away the grass so we don't make any fire. So let's get her loaded up. We'll let the old skid steer warm up, and we'll come over here and get the trailer loaded. Now this camera is not the best, but you know what? Better not having a camera, I guess. We can make that work right there. I need to tighten my track a little bit. Let's get it chained down and we'll get the heck out of here. Come to the shop and grab some tape. Yeah, my shop's a mess. I need to clean it. I know I had some electrical tape around this place. Well, let's look somewhere else. All right, we made it here. Hopefully they gave me the right gate code. We'll find out. Got it. All right, this is it. This used to be a lumber yard, but I guess they're tearing it down and going to do hotels or something. I have no idea. But I got hired to take this sign down, and I'm just going to clear a lot of this grass here for so I can use my cutting torch. Guess I could have brought a chainsaw, but I can get it. All right, let's get this unloaded. I'm not trying to get it just right, just getting enough to scrape a lot of this grass so I can have a lot of dirt. Alright guys, we got it all cleared away. I got the tree brush crap out of the way. Got most of the grass kind of scraped off, so now sparks coming down. It ain't gonna cause a fire or nothing dangerous. So I guess we'll call that a job and we'll load this thing up and head back to the house. All right, guys, it's a little bit later. We finally made it back home. Just kind of enjoying this weather. If you guys like more videos like this, like and subscribe. I got more coming out. We'll catch you next round.